historic achievements in the transport and mining sectors. We recap the highlight moments from 2022. The landmark achievement for the transport sector in 2022 was the passage of regulations and amendments to the Road Traffic Act.
These regulations will see to a completely revised mode of conduct on our roads and hold road users more accountable for their actions.
Under the government's COVID allocation of resources for employees care program, $90 million in grants was made available to public passenger vehicle PPV operators. $600 million was also approved to cushion rising fuel prices for PPV operators. A successful pilot of the student passenger train service was launched, and Jamaica's air traffic improved after pandemic disruption, including the historic start of commercial flights operating out of the Ian Fleming International Airport. The Sangster International Airport was a major beneficiary of infrastructure upgrade, with the start of a $36 million project. $20.1 million was allocated for several improvement projects at the Norman Manley International Airport. On land, the ministry signed a contract with TRL Software to develop an accident analysis software system, IMAP. 9 Island Traffic Authority ITA examination depots received exhaust emission analyzers. To expand the public transportation fleet, government signed a $6.4 million contract to acquire 50 buses for the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC.
Improvement and expansion of our roadways, ports, crossings and airways are a must for national progress.
The ministry responsible for mining launched a digital platform to manage operations in the sector.
The Jamaica Mining Cadastre, JAMINCAD, was officially launched on March 11, 2022. JAMINCAD is a computerized database designed to maintain and provide electronic access to documents related to minerals, such as leases and licenses.
Meanwhile, government issued a mining prohibition cockpit country protected area notice that restricts any quarrying activities in the area. Jamaica Bauxite Mining Limited received approval to diversify revenue streams with development plans. And 170 land titles were issued to persons resettling due to mining activities. With plans to revitalize Jamaica's rail infrastructure and more initiatives for a sustainable mining industry, the ministry remains committed to moving the sector forward.